Hello and welcome to our video on the top 5 honeymoon destinations in Italy. Italy is a country that is rich in culture, history, and romance, making it the perfect destination for newlyweds. In this video, we will be showcasing the top 5 honeymoon destinations that are sure to make your special trip unforgettable. Number 1, Venice. Venice is the city of love, and there's no better destination for a honeymoon than this romantic Italian city. With its winding canals, picturesque bridges, and charming gondolas, Venice offers a truly unique and special experience for newlyweds. Take a stroll through the city's winding streets, explore the famous Rialto Bridge and Piazza San Marco, and enjoy a candlelit dinner on a gondola. You can also take a romantic gondola ride and see the city from a different perspective, passing by its beautiful palaces, and under its charming bridges. Venice is also known for its art and culture, so you can also visit the Peggy Guggenheim Collection, the Galleria dell'Accademia or the Palazzo Ducale. Number 2, Tuscany. Tuscany is the perfect destination for a honeymoon. With its rolling hills, charming villages, and world-renowned wines, the region is known for its picturesque countryside, making it the ideal location for a romantic getaway. Take a romantic stroll through the charming villages, enjoy a wine tasting tour, or relax in one of the many hot springs. Tuscany is also home to some of the most beautiful cities in Italy like Florence, Siena, and Pisa, where you can visit iconic landmarks, art and cultural museums and enjoy delicious food and wine. You can also take a day trip to visit the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa or climb the Duomo in Florence and enjoy the stunning views of the city. Tuscany is also a great destination for outdoor activities, like hiking, biking, and hot air balloon rides, where you can enjoy the beautiful landscape and the serenity of the region. Number 3, Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a beautiful destination for a honeymoon, known for its stunning coastline, crystal clear waters, and charming towns. The picturesque coast is a perfect destination for couples who want to experience the beauty of the Mediterranean. The Amalfi Coast offers a variety of activities. You can take a boat tour to explore the coast, relax on one of the many beaches, or take a hike to explore the beautiful coastal towns like Positano, Ravello, and Amalfi. The towns are known for their lively streets, colorful houses and beautiful churches. The Amalfi Coast also offers a great culinary experience. You can indulge in delicious seafood and local specialties, and sample some of the region's famous limoncello. In addition, the Amalfi Coast is also known for its beautiful and luxurious resorts and spa, where you can relax and rejuvenate after a long day of exploring. Number 4, Lake Como. Lake Como is a popular destination for honeymooners looking for a more peaceful and secluded getaway. The lake is surrounded by picturesque villages and beautiful villas that offer a tranquil atmosphere perfect for a romantic honeymoon. Take a boat tour of the lake and visit the many charming towns that line its shores, like Bellagio, Varenna, and Tremezzo. These towns offer a mix of history and culture, with beautiful churches, gardens, and palaces to visit. Lake Como is also a great destination for outdoor activities, like hiking, cycling and boating. You can take a hike to explore the beautiful villas and gardens that line the lake or take a boat tour to enjoy the stunning views of the lake and the surrounding mountains. The Lake Como region is also known for its delicious cuisine, with a variety of local specialties and wines to enjoy. Number 5, Rome. Rome, the Eternal City, is the perfect destination for a honeymoon. With its rich history, culture, and romance, the city is home to iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, the Pantheon, and the Trevi Fountain, which are must-sees for newlyweds. Take a romantic stroll through the charming streets of Rome, hand in hand, and enjoy the sights and sounds of this ancient city. You can also visit the Vatican City, home to the Pope and some of the most beautiful art and architecture in the world. Rome is also known for its delicious food and wine. You can indulge in traditional Italian dishes like pasta, pizza and gelato, and sample some of the local wines. Rome also offers a great shopping experience. You can visit the famous shopping street, Via Condotti, or the trendy boutiques in Monte neighborhood. These are just a few of the many honeymoon destinations that Italy has to offer. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a cultural experience, or a relaxing holiday, there's something for everyone in Italy. So, if you're planning your honeymoon, be sure to consider Italy as your destination. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more travel content.